So hey, what's up mga kote? It's me, Ate Mariel, and welcome sa Quadernos, where learning is the name of the game. So kung bago ka pa lamang sa aming YouTube channel, i-click mo na subscribe, like, and share button para updated ka sa aming mga videos. So samahan natin si Super K sa panibagong araw at panibagong lesson na ating matututunan dito sa Quadernos. At ang bagong lesson natin for today is classifying animals. So dito sa lesson na to is about animals naman. So let's find out and simulan na natin ano nga ba ang magiging lesson natin for classifying animals at ano yung mga information and mga knowledge na ating malalaman, na ating magigain and ating matutuklasan. So let's start. The science of grouping living things, both plants and animals, is called taxonomy. The modern scientific classification was started by Carolus Linnaeus. So, most of high school student or elementary student familiar na sa kanila ang pangalan ni Carolus Linnaeus. And Carolus Linnaeus, he started the so-called binomial nomenclature or nomenclature where organisms have two word name or the scientific names. So, ito, here are the examples of scientific names of some plants and animals. Number 1 is human being, and the scientific name of human being is Homo sapiens or Homo sapiens. Dog is Canis familiaris, cat is Felis domestica, rice is Oryza or Oryza sativa, corn is Zea mais or Zea maize. So there are different ways of classifying animals such as the following. So number 1 or the letter A, according to the presence or absence of the backbone. So dito may tinatawag tayong vertebrates and invertebrates. But now, unahin natin ang invertebrates. Invertebrates are animals without a bony backbone called vertebral column. So meron tayong trivia dito. Do you know that 95% of animals on earth are invertebrates? So ito, ang mga following na mga pictures na to ay mga animals na invertebrates. So, ang una natin is butterfly. Ang katabi ni butterfly is a spider. So, ang baba ni butterfly is a lobster. And ang baba ni spider is ang snail or snail. So, yan. Apat yan. Butterfly, spider, lobster, and snail. So, next one is vertebrates. Kung may vertebrates, meron tayong invertebrates. So, magka-connect sila. So, vertebrates are animals with a backbone. So, ito ang mga following examples of vertebrates. Meron tayong elephant, meron tayong fish, at ang mahal na ng ating mga ama, ang mga manok. So, meron pa tayong letter B na different ways of classifying animals. So, ang letter B natin is according to their habitat or according to habitat. A habitat is the place where a plant or an animal naturally lives. So, meron tayong una dito na habitat or tinatawag nating land animals. Most animals live in land. There are different kinds of land habitats. So, yan. Ang una nating mga classification according to habitat is meron tayong mga animals na madalas nating makikita nakatira sila sa land or sa lupa. So, ito ang mga kinds of land habitats. Meron tayong forests, are large tracts of land full of trees and other plants. So, mostly makikita natin ang ating mga animals, the invertebrates man or vertebrates, madalas nakikita natin sila sa forest. So, yan ang example ng a tropical rainforest. Super green siya, maraming puno, and marami silang mapagkukunan ng pagkain and sources. Kahit na rin tayong mga tao, marami tayong mapapagkunan na sources sa mga forests. So, there are some animals that live in forests. So, meron tayong monkey, meron tayong deer, and birds. So, madalas yan ang ating makikita sa mga forest dito sa ating mga lugar or dito sa land na pwedeng tirhan ng ating mga animals. So, next one is deserts. Iba po ang desert sa deserts. Ang desert ay ang panghimagas at ang deserts ay ang disyerto. Deserts are dry, often sandy regions with very little rain and with few plants or animals. So mostly super rare or super konti lang na makikita mo ditong plants and animals dahil nga sa sobrang init ng desert. Wala nang nakukuhang nutrients ang plants para na tubig dahil super init and super dry ang place na to. So, yan ay itsura ng hot desert. So, kung makikita nyo naman, puro siya sand and kokonti po yung plants, makikita nyo, mostly wala po talaga. Ganyan po, medyo ma-brown po yung makikita nyo lang sa desert. Dahil nga po, ang desert ay mainit and sandy and talaga pong walang makakatagal na plants and animals na mostly makikita natin sa land na kanilang pinaka-habitat. So next, there are some animals that live in desert. So ito po ang mga last animals standing na pwedeng tumira or nakakatagal sa deserts or sa mga desierto. Ang unang ating picture is ang scorpion, ang second natin is lizard, and ang nasa pinakailalim natin is a road runner. So yan lang yung mga animals talaga na nakakatagal sa desierto. So C, grasslands are vast tracts of land with small plants and different kinds of grasses. So medyo madamo dito and para din siyang nasa land, and ito, puro lang siya damo. So, grassland. So, these are the grassland animals. So, syempre, zebra, meron ding monkey, meron ding mga lions, meron ding mga elephants. So, yan. Pwede natin sila makita sa grassland. So, ang monkey, hindi lang natin makikita sa land or makikita natin sa mga forest, kundi na rin sa mga grasslands, pwede natin silang makita. So, meron tayong sunod. Number 2 is water animals. So, nandito pa rin tayo sa letter B na different ways of classifying animals na according to habitat. At ang second one natin na kanilang habitat is water. So, water animals. There are different water habitats for different water animals. So, pag sinabi nating marine habitats are the oceans and seas where water is salty. Fishes, crabs, sharks, and jellyfishes live in salty water. So, ito po ang mga examples, fish, shark, and si Mr. Crab. So, fresh habitat are lakes, rivers, streams, and ponds. Fishes, amphibians, and reptiles live in fresh water. So, magkaiba po ang marine and freshwater habitats. Pag po marine habitats, salty po yung water niya at ang tumitira po doon ay fishes, sharks, jellyfishes. So, pag sinabi naman po nating freshwater habitat, ito naman po ang mga nakatira ay amphibians, reptiles. So, meron tayo ditong goldfish, turtle, meron tayong pwedeng makitang salamander na pwede natin makita sa freshwater habitat. So, magkaiba po si marine and freshwater. So, ito naman, letter C or pinaka-last part ng ating letter B or according to habitat. Ang ating third one is according to body covering. You can also group animals by body coverings. So, some animals are covered with hair and some animals are covered with scales. So, meron tayong mga example. Pusa, covered with hair. Pag covered with scales naman, crocodile. Fish, porcupine. So, mga ganon ang pwede nating ma-label according to their body coverings. So, ito, other animals are covered with feathers. So, ito, falcon and pigeon. So, before tayo mag-end, so recap muna tayo. So, medyo mahaba po yung slide natin for today. So, meron tayong si Carolus Linnaeus, the modern classification, nag-start siya kay Carolus Linnaeus and started the so-called Binomial Nomenclature or the two-word name and the scientific name. So, yan ang mga scientific names. So, meron tayong ways of classifying animals according to the presence or absence of the backbone, according to their habitat, and the third one is according to body covering. So according to the presence or absence, meron tayong vertebrates and invertebrates. So, alam na natin yung pagkakaiba niyan at common sense po. And ang sumunod natin is according to their habitat, meron tayong land animals, meron tayong desert animals, and meron tayong grasslands, and meron tayong water animals, meron tayong marine and freshwater animals, and syempre, meron tayong kinaklasify according to their body covering. Meron silang hair or scales like leopard, guinea pig, gorilla, and according naman sa kanilang scales ay crocodile and fish, and porcupine. So, yan. Animals are covered with feathers or pakpak. Meron tayong falcon and pigeon. So, I hope na may natutunan kayo for this lesson. So, click the thumbs up button if meron Comment kayo sa mga recommendations na pwede naming ituro or i-demo para sa inyo. So thank you, have a great day, and God bless. See you on my next video. Bye-bye!